I've been coming to this guy's home for, oh man.
Hi there.
Hi.
How you doing?
Having a tag sale.
Yeah.
Where did Saul go?
I don't know any of the details.
Okay.
Sorry. They usually don't let bags. Would you mind just leaving it here?
I'm here to fix the heat. So.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. Sid, is somebody here to fix the heat? Someone here to fix the heat?
Ask Delta.
Delta? Suzanne, can you find Delta, please?
Delta, somebody's here to fix the heat. Oh, yeah. He's coming.
Oh, they are.
Is this the
Keep
person?
come inside, yes.
Thank you. Please.
Thank you very much.
Pleasure.
That's so funny.
Thank you. Is the heat not working?
No, it's on and off. No.
On and off. Okay. Why
That's
is,
just a negative.
yeah, right there. All right, why is,
It was off last night. He came by and he just got something. He came on and it went off. It went off.
so it's not working now? All right, let's go to the thermostat.
Are you trying to raise it?
Yep. All right. Oh, that didn't accomplish anything. Let's see. Let's keep that nearby. All right, let's see what this thing does. I got my little switcheroo. They're both flashing simultaneously together. Let me show you without the flash. All right. I'm not waiting for that thermostat. A jumper between W and R. All right, inducer is on. We have a rapid flash simultaneous. We have a, is that hot service ignition here? Yep, you can tell that by the line voltage. There's the hot service igniter. Gas valve open, but nothing came out of it, or didn't ignite. Let's just see something here. Service ignition. There we go. Now we got ignition. Hopefully it's not one of these intermittent failing issues where sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Hopefully not. Only thing I did was turn this on and off. Roll out switch, high limit plenum sensor, flame sensor. See if the blower kicks on. bit and see what happens. All right, let's not forget the error code that we witnessed before we took the front cover off, and that was an alternating flash between red and green, red and green, red and green. That is an error. Alternating flash, slow, watch guard. Burners fail to ignite. Limit open for more than 3 minutes, or lost flame sense 5 times in one heating cycle. We witnessed it. It failed to ignite. We had gas here. At least we heard that on that first attempt. Second attempt, it fired up. So we want to check to make sure our orifices are all clear. All right. Make sure they're all clear. I'm going to take a little piece of wire. I'm going to turn this off, put a little piece of wire and check out. These are pretty cool. Watch this. Okay. We just gave it a flame failure condition. Let's see if it will try to refire. I got the flash off the camera. There's our hard surface igniter glowing, getting power energized, 110 volts. Wait for that main ignition. Gas valve opens, and we have main burner operation. Okay, I'm going to put my finger over that again. Senses flame, lost. Let's let it recycle itself. About 10 seconds, the hot surface igniter should glow again. Let's wait for it. There it is. Wait for it. Here comes the main gas valve opening. 3, 2, 1. Main ignition. All right. She's working. Why did it fail that one time? You know what? Let's ohm out the hot surface igniter. All right. I killed the switch on the top of the gas valve. Turn off the gas. Let that heat exchanger cool for a minute. Door switch is now open. There's our hot surface igniter, and let's ohm out and check the resistance. Okay. Let's get our multimeter. One-handedly. Okay, there's one. And now the other. Ooh, we are a little low in resistance there. 29. And dropping as she's cooling off. But she should be in the at least 50 to 80, 90 range. But we're not. And that is probably the cause of the failure to ignite and the alternating error code. 24 and dropping. Crazy. All right, I'm gonna quickly test the resistance value of our new igniter. Okay, I'm not touching the actual, igniter itself, and we have 15 on the resistance. Now this is a we call a nitride, silicon nitride igniter, and you want to be, if you look at the manual, cold temperature, ohms, 8 to 15. So we're within specifications on there. Now our existing igniter is not a silica one. It's one of those glowfly looking ones. So let's take that bad boy out of there, and I'm going to show you what we got to do next. You know what? I stand corrected here. I took a look at the igniter. It's also a White Rogers. It's got that silica nitride igniter, and it's within specifications, so I'm actually not going to change this out because I don't think that's the reason for no ignition. We're within range there. If it was like a glowfly, we need it to be around that much higher spec. So let's fire this bad boy back up. Let's jump out W and R. I'm not waiting for the thermostat to turn back on. There's the click. There's our inducer. Gas valve set to on. It's a little cold now, so let's see if we can catch it in action. Turn off the flash. Any moment, the hot service igniter, there it is. It's glowing, it's getting its power. Let's see if our gas valve opens and we have ignition. Any second now. There's gas valve opening and it ignited. Yep. Apologies for not catching any of this on video, but I checked the outlet pressure on the gas valve, or the manifold pressure on the gas valve, only reading 2.1 inches of water column. Needs to be a minimum of 3.5. I made an adjustment on the gas valve, and she's been running beautifully ever since making that adjustment on the gas valve. So in case you're wondering what the problem was, it wasn't the igniter. Bad manifold pressure leaving the gas valve. Indicative possibly of a bad gas valve moving forward, but we'll have to monitor it. But the house is being sold, so. Bittersweet moment there, ladies and gentlemen. Bittersweet moment. I have been servicing the homeowner since 2008. Husband and wife are both gone. The kids take over, sell the contents of the home, and then sell the home. Very, very, very bittersweet. And as I was departing, it's like not gonna say like I'm gonna see you soon, because they don't live nearby. The only thing one could say: be well, God bless, stay safe. Catch you in the next one.